AI has become a game changer in automation, transforming how companies operate and deliver value. Here are some key ways businesses are using AI for automation. 1. Customer service automation. Chatbots and virtual assistants handle customer inquiries, support, and transactions, providing 24/7 service and freeing up human agents for more complex tasks. 2. Supply chain and logistics. AI-powered systems optimize inventory management, demand forecasting, and route planning. This helps in reducing costs and improving efficiency. 3. Manufacturing and production. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) and AI-driven quality control enhance production lines, detect defects, and ensure high standards with minimal human intervention. 4. Human resources. Automated systems screen resumes, schedule interviews, and even conduct initial rounds of candidate assessments. AI tools can analyze employee engagement and predict turnover. 5. Marketing and sales. Personalized marketing campaigns are created using AI, which analyzes customer data to target the right audience. AI-driven tools also help in predictive analytics and sales forecasting. 6. Finance and accounting. Automated financial analysis, fraud detection, and compliance management are made possible with AI, ensuring accuracy and security. 7. Healthcare. AI systems assist in diagnosis, patient monitoring, and administrative tasks. Robots and AI-driven tools are used in surgeries and to analyze medical data for better treatment plans. 8. Content creation and management. AI tools can generate articles, reports, and social media content. In your case, AI helps in scripting, thumbnail design, and optimizing YouTube content for better discoverability. 9. Data analysis and insights. Businesses use AI for big data analytics, deriving actionable insights from vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. 10. Smart cities and urban management. AI helps in traffic management, energy conservation, and public safety, making cities more efficient and livable. AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks allows humans to focus on more strategic, creative, and high-value activities. If you need more specific details on any of these areas, just let me know.